Hi everyone, Happy New Year to all the students who's watching this video. May this year be full of happiness, gratitude, lots and lots of success, and lots and lots of positivity for you all. Now, I know that now is the new year, we all are making resolutions, and we are also thinking about what has happened in 2024, and we might be little happy, of course, if it was a good year, and might be regretful if it was not, and you would be thinking about how to make it better, and how to work upon more upon 2025. So a quick video. I don't know why I'm making this video, just to because of late I have seen a lot of students coming up to me and saying I'm very demotivated, I'm not able to do this, not able to do that, not able to study, I'm not able to have focus, have consistency, what to do in those cases. So possibly this is like a new start for you, new beginning for you, and you might be having that zeal with you. So guys, I would say that if you are lagging motivation, consistency, all of these things, of course I whatever I say, it cannot actually give you, मतलब ऐसा नहीं होगा कि मैंने आपको कुछ बोला and a lot of motivation comes into you and you become very motivated for the next year. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला है, of course. But I think कि when we listen to somebody else and somebody else tell us कि ऐसे कर लो, वैसे कर लो, we might get our path through that conversation that is happening. So I would say that never, if 2024 was not for you by any chance, and you were not able to succeed in a paper, something happened, or something, you were not able to give any of the ACCA exam. So I would say that make 2025 yours. Of course यहाँ पे भी ups and downs आएंगे for sure. I'm not saying कि ऐसा नहीं होगा, and it will be a blissful year and all of those things. Of course not, ऐसा नहीं होता है हमेशा. It is a roller coaster, ups and downs होते हैं हमारी जर्नी में भी, ACCA की जर्नी में भी, पढ़ाई की जर्नी में भी ऐसा होता है, तो it's fine. But then I would say that make a target for yourself. आज 1st of January है ना? You have 365 days right now, and you have 4 attempts for this year, in this year. So make a plan for yourself. एक प्लान करो कि इस क्वार्टर में मैं ये वाला पेपर दूंगा या दूंगी, इस क्वार्टर में I'll give this paper next quarter. So like a schedule for yourself कि आप एक प्लान आउट कर रहे हो, so that you're not vague. Because I will tell you my personal experience, whenever when I do not have anything in written कि ये करना है, ये करना है, तो we are very vague कि क्या करें, कहाँ से शुरू करें, क्या करना है, what is the aim. If you do not know your aim, how will you इंश्योर कि you're moving towards that. एक एम होगा ना आपका कि मेरे को इस साल तक ACCA खत्म करनी है, या मेरे को इस साल तक अपनी बैचलर्स, या मेरे को एक जॉब लेनी है इस साल. तो you should have that aim with you कि by this time, by in March and I will give these papers, I'll start applying for jobs also. If I get a job, I will do this, like I'll give only 1 paper, if not I'll pick up 2 papers. So have a plan for yourself. एक प्लान रहेगा ना, तो उससे क्या होगा कि आपको पता चल जाएगा कि अच्छा जून तक मेरे को इतना खत्म करना है, I want to be part qualified. Yeah, for the people who are in the professional level, I need to complete ACCA. So only and only when you have a plan ready, एक aim ready होगा, then only you'll be able to go better at it. That is what I believe. And a lot of people also come up to us and say that I'm not able to go ahead with my papers. पिछले साल मैंने कोई भी पेपर नहीं दिया है, I'm not able to get jobs, there's no motivation, पेपर भी क्लियर नहीं हो रहे हैं. So identify the reason why that is happening. जब तक आपको रीज़न नहीं पता होगा कि कुछ फैमिली इशू है या कुछ और इशू है, कुछ basically you're not motivated, आपको लगता ही नहीं कि आपको जॉब चाहिए, क्यों जॉब चाहिए, right? So all of these answers you have to get to yourself. So that is what I believe in. And quick video बनाना था for this topic because I was getting a lot of queries. So I would say that new year है, of course ऐसा होता है कि हम लोग बहुत सारे resolutions बनाते हैं. We make a lot of resolutions, and then some of it we are able to achieve, and some of we are not able to achieve. But when you do not, अगर आपने start ही नहीं किया, अगर आपने 10 resolution बनाए, कम से कम 5 तो achieve कर पाओगे. अगर आपने लिखे ही नहीं वो resolution, आपको पता ही नहीं होगा कि आपको क्या करना है, right? So this is what I believe, and I have also made certain resolutions, not resolutions, I would say, I say them as my aim target for 2025, and through them only I think we'll be able to achieve collectively. So I hope that this video was helpful. Just be, be positive, make a chart for yourself, make an aim for yourself. I will get a job this year, I will apply to these companies, and not only vague targets. Do not write vague targets. I will get a job. From where are you going to get a job? How are you going to get a job? How are you working towards getting a job, right? These are also very, very important things, right? So make a concrete aim for yourself, make a plan for yourself that okay, in this year I will be completing these many papers, this is the job target that I have, this is the, if you're doing any other qualification, that is what you have, or something else that is there in your bucket, right? So I hope that this year is very, very, very happy, positive, fruitful, and with year for you, with lots and lots of happiness, and also big achievements, big milestones for all the students. So happy new year from us at Being ACCA.